I hear so many people say that they want to make a difference and inspire other people. Well, the first thing you've got to do is not take people's hope. You've got to be a giver of hope. And sometimes I confess I can be quite negative. I can be quite skeptical. I try not to be cynical, but I can be quite a skeptic. But we must never ever take another person's hope. We must be a giver of hope if you want to make a difference and inspire other people. In my humble opinion, success lies in service. It lies in making a difference. We then tend to be much happier and much more effective at what we do, and we truly help other people. You see, we feel better when we help other people. That's because when we're doing something altruistically, purely for the good of another person or situation, it releases all the body's happy chemicals, but in particular, oxytocin, the real feel good. So, well, what would be your perfect gift, for example, for your best friend, your partner, or the little old lady next door, or the bloke across the street, or the kids who normally kick their football onto your garden? You get really mad with them. How about buying them a football net, like a goal set of goals? That's what I was looking for. Or a new football, or a football pump, or something. What would be the perfect gift for the person you want to make a difference to? So ask yourself. It's only a short one today. All I want you to do is ask yourself this question. Are you in service? And if so, to who? Is it to your God, your faith? Is it whatever you have a faith in? Is it to your customers, your suppliers, your work colleagues? Is it to your family? Is it to your wider community that you live in? Or is it to those in need? Or is it something else altogether? But what are you going to do to inspire others and make a difference, rather than keep dreaming about doing it? I know some of you can post some fantastic stuff below on what it is you do. Please do, tell me what you do. But for those who dream about it and talk about it but do nothing, have this as a call to action, all right? So step up, do something, be of service. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Have in it.